Hey guys, we've got another set of amazing new gadgets to show. There's a bunch of cool stuff for everyone, whether you need to take a quick photo, need something for comfy reading and studying, or need to recover after an intense workout. Just like last time, all the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And don't forget to write down in the comments section which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Meet the smartest little puppy you could ever imagine. Well, actually, it's an innovative robot. Using the most cutting-edge technology, it's able to move around completely on its own. This ability is called full self-navigation, and it's pretty similar to a self-driving car. The robot combines a camera with LiDAR scanning to create a map in real time. The high-torque custom servos allow fast and agile motion, plus this puppy stands out with a high degree of freedom, which makes it look more natural. And like every pet, the robot has various face expressions. You're free to customize these animations or stick to the preset ones. By the way, the robot is based on the open-source Raspberry Pi system. This is a great way to learn some programming while also adding new features to your robot. And here we have something useful for all the designers out there. This combo has everything you need to get the job done. A large drawing tablet, dial, and programmable keyboard. The tablet is 8.9 by 5.6 inches. It also stands out with its slim design and anti-fingerprint surface. And of course, it comes with that sleek, battery-free stylus. With over 8,000 pressure sensitivity levels, it lets you draw every line with the greatest precision. The package also includes a handy pen holder. As for the keyboard, it features 23 standard keys and 5 programmable keys that can be assigned to any function. You can connect this set to any Bluetooth-enabled device, whether it's a PC, Mac, or Android smartphone. But if you need a wired connection, you might plug in via USB-C. The large rechargeable battery allows almost 20 hours of use on one charge, and if you already have a drawing tablet, you might just get this keyboard. It features 18 scissor switch keys, all of them are fully customizable. Same goes for the dial controller. You can use it for several different tasks like volume, zoom, and more. You're free to connect the keyboard via USB-C or wirelessly. The choice is yours. This thing lasts over 100 hours on one charge. Not bad for a pocketable keyboard. Okay guys, we have it, the revolutionary snack tool. Actually, it looks like ordinary chopsticks, except this thing is attached to your hand. These slots for your index and middle fingers are stretchable and comfy. Do what you're doing, play, work, and chat without having to stop and clean your hands. The sticks are grippy, letting you grab all kinds of snacks with ease, and since we all love sharing treats with friends, this is the sanitary way to do that. When you take this thing off, it stands on its own, keeping the sticks perfectly clean. The tool actually looks pretty sleek and comes in either black or white, and there's an optional carrying case. If Game Boy was a pair of glasses, it'd probably look like this. Now, this isn't a gaming console, but gamers will definitely appreciate this gadget. Aside from the eye-catching vintage look, the glasses feature innovative open-ear audio technology. They provide high-quality surround sound without blocking your ears. By the way, the glasses are also equipped with noise-canceling microphones. That means you can take phone calls or activate your voice assistant right on the glasses using the built-in buttons. The gadget connects to your phone via Bluetooth and works within a 65-foot range. And on top of that, the glasses come with 2 types of swappable lenses. The anti-blue light lenses reduce eye strain, and the gradient lenses come in handy on sunny days. What's more, the glasses are really slim and lightweight, and they're sweat-proof in case you have an intense match. There are 2 sizes for adults and kids. A single charge gives you up to 4 hours of playtime. You know, most people put their phones in a case, and it's pretty obvious. It's just good to feel safe. So Atlas VPN is like a sturdy protective case. Not just for your phone, but for all your data. Look, usually your internet traffic has a really simple path. It goes from your PC or phone directly to the destination, whatever it may be. VPN server acts as a checkpoint on this route. The traffic enters it and leaves with a new IP and DNS address. So even if it gets into the wrong hands, nothing traces back to you. And most importantly, this solution works across all your devices from desktop to mobile. But how to make sure that your data isn't already exposed somewhere? You have the Data Breach Monitor for that. It'll scan the web, searching for your private info, including emails, passwords, and names. If any of that is found in data bumps, Atlas VPN will let you know straight away. And aside from safety, you'll be able to enjoy your content without any limits. The libraries of most streaming services vary greatly among different countries. Well, now you can simply change your virtual location and watch anything you want. So currently, Atlas VPN is running a huge discount on their 3-year deal for just $1.39 per month with a 30-day money-back guarantee. The deal won't last for long, so make sure to check it out by clicking the link in the description below. This retro-styled handheld console will take you back in time, but it's actually pretty modern and unique. Aside from the regular buttons and D-pad, this thing has that little crank on the side. It's used for controls. And unlike your old Game Boy, this console is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. Plus, the screen resolution is much higher, not 4K, but it looks just fine. This thing also features a loud mono speaker along with a USB-C charging port and a headphone jack. Now let's get to the coolest part, the games. They're delivered in seasons, so you'll get a couple of new games every week. They're downloaded automatically over Wi-Fi, so you don't choose the games. It's always a surprise. Everyone with this console can create new games and share them with other users. You can play up to 8 hours on one charge, and when it's not used for gaming, this thing turns into a low-power clock. This way, it already lasts about 14 days. You might also get this nice magnetic stand that acts as a charger and Bluetooth stereo speaker. There's even a built-in pen holder. The console is already a bestseller. The first 20,000 units were sold out in 20 minutes, so you better make a pre-order right now. This is the tiniest handheld console we've ever seen. The thing is literally keychain sized, but it still has that authentic design with a D-pad, 2 physical buttons, and this tiny OLED screen. Yup, the console is fully functioning, featuring 5 preloaded games right out of the box. There's even a special cable that lets you connect 2 consoles and play together. Moreover, you can actually create your own games for this thing using the intuitive desktop software. Cool. When it comes to the pet hair inside your car, vacuums are useless. But this special tool will clean it all up in seconds. Whether you have a dog or a cat, the brush is perfectly suited for short and wiry hair. Thanks to its compact design, this thing easily gets into the tightest places. Actually, it's not just for your car. You might use the brush to clean up your clothes and furniture. What's even cooler, the tool is completely reusable. All you need to clean it is soap and tap water. So the problem is solved once and for all. Imagine you could use your entire body as a gaming controller. That's the idea of this gadget. It uses inside-out motion tracking to make your VR gaming experience more immersive than ever before. There are 10 wireless nodes that read your actions in real time and reflect them on the screen. You can actually feel what happens in the game thanks to the haptic feedback. The 120 Hz update frequency ensures smooth and fast operation, and you have plenty of space to move. The range is almost 500 feet. The gadget is designed as a standalone system, but you can also combine it with your existing VR equipment. Now there's almost no difference between the game and real life. Would you like to ride the wave and help the planet? These handboards for bodysurfing are fully made of recycled plastic waste collected from Australia's Great Barrier Reef so we all can enjoy a cleaner ocean. The paddle uses a concave design that provides higher lift and better control over your ride, plus there's a little rocker that reduces splashing. The adjustable rubber strap suits virtually any hand size, and it's firmly mounted inside the board. Don't worry about losing this thing in the water. The paracord leash keeps it attached to your hand. Even though they're made of waste, the paddles are quite stylish, and there's even a bunch of cool colors to choose from. Now, every athlete knows there are 2 ways to quickly relieve knee pain, heat or cold. Here's a handy gadget that combines both kinds of therapy. You can easily switch between the modes and adjust other settings right on your smartphone. The gadget is Bluetooth enabled, so you won't need any cords. Switching from hot to cold takes just 1 minute, and don't worry about the size. 3 adjustable straps provide a comfortable fit for anyone. The white ring helps you align the gadget to your kneecap. This thing lasts about an hour and a half on a single charge, which should be more than enough to recover. This gadget might be an actual breakthrough for the visually impaired and blind people. It's a voice-controlled little thing that attaches right to your glasses. So whenever you need to know what is in front of you or what's written in the book, just ask and you'll hear the answer. The gadget uses an optical sensor and smart AI technology to detect faces, text, products, money, and more. And what's really cool, this thing doesn't need an internet connection. Now, let's say you have good eyesight, but you don't want to read too much. This gadget will read the text for you and turn it into audio. It works with any text, no matter if it's printed or digital. Even low light conditions are no obstacle. Also, you can ask the gadget to read only certain parts of the text. This is the dream for so many students. And here's what happens when Ray-Ban teams up with Facebook. Now, the most stylish glasses also have the smartest features. The glasses are equipped with a high-quality dual camera that lets you capture every moment completely hands-free. Privacy of other people is thought through as well. There's an LED light that lights up when recording. In addition, the glasses feature open-ear speakers for your music and phone calls, 3 built-in microphones make sure your voice sounds as clear as it gets, and for the controls, you get a touch panel that allows simple and intuitive gestures. Now, as you'd expect, the glasses come in several colors, and there's a variety of lenses to choose from. And of course, there's a sleek carrying case that's also used for charging. Here's your Flying Guardian, the most futuristic home security cam ever. Now you can see every single room, no matter how far away you are from home. You're free to create custom paths and watch the flight in real time. A single flight can last up to 5 minutes. The HD camera with 120-degree field of view makes every detail clearly visible. And when it gets dark, this thing automatically turns on the built-in LED to light up the area. Also, this thing is compatible with Ring alarm sensors. If something strange happens, the cam will automatically leave the base and show you what's happening. This takes your home security to a whole new level.